happy Tuesday. Everyone, so the time has come and we are doing the what? Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique unboxing. Absolutely. So let's see what we have. Let me bring it down. So that's enough. Okay, let's see. That way. That's it. Okay. I'm so excited. If y'all haven't checked out, these are the Chic Babes Weekenders. Okay. That's right. Y'all go and purchase yourself one at the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique.myshopify.com. And all products on my store is printed and shipped by none other than Printify. Okay. This is so cool. This is so I am so excited to be sharing this with you all. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. Yeah. Let me see. Let me make sure. We'll bring it down. Let me make sure y'all can see it. There we go. Okay, you all. This. Yeah. What we got? What do we have? What we got, y'all? That's right, y'all. We have our none other than our Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique unboxing here. And this is our what? Can y'all see it good? Okay, let me, I don't want to break it. Let's see. Okay, there you go. You gotta make sure you open it right. And y'all make sure y'all go get y'all some wine glasses. Custom made. Look at that. Chic Babes wine glasses, y'all. How cool, how demure is that? Yes, so attention to details on me. Yes, so I cannot wait to be sipping my wine out of my wine glass, y'all. I am so excited. It is so cute. So I am going to watch this, okay, and I'm going to pour in my favorite. Y'all know my favorite is Chardonnay, and y'all stay tuned for the Amazon unboxing. Thanks for watching, babes. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, babes.